This weekend, I'm going to clean my house. My house is really messy. There are so many things that I have to do. I don't even know where to start. I have a lot of work ahead of me. I'm not looking forward to it. I'm going to start with the kitchen because it's the messiest. First, I need to throw away some old food that's in the fridge. There are a few things in there that are past the expiration date. Next, I'm going to wash the dishes. My dishwasher is broken, so I have to wash the dishes by hand. They have been piling up all week, so it's going to take me a while to wash them all, dry them all, and put them all away. I'm going to wipe down the walls and clean the grease around the stove. It's pretty messy around the stove because I fried some chicken last week and grease splattered everywhere. Then I'm going to clean the counter and kitchen table. After that, I'm going to sweep the floor. After I sweep the floor, I'm going to fill up a pail with hot water and soap. And then I'm going to mop the floor. When I'm finished cleaning the kitchen, I'm going to move on to the living room. First, I need to fix the light bulb. It's been dead for a while now. There isn't a lot of natural light in the living room, so it's hard to see. My friend Leslie gave me a beautiful painting for my birthday. I really love it. This weekend, I'm going to hang the picture that she gave me on the wall in the living room. After I hang the picture, I'm going to wash the windows. My nieces and nephews were over last weekend, so there are fingerprints all over them. I have 4 plants in the living room. I don't water them enough, so I'm going to water them and give them some sunlight. I don't have much of a green thumb, and I often kill my houseplants. I hope they are okay. The furniture in the living room is really dusty, so I'm going to dust the furniture. Then, of course, I'm going to need to vacuum. When I finish cleaning the living room, I'm going to move on to the bathroom. Oh, wait. I almost forgot. Before I start cleaning the bathroom, I need to do the laundry. If I do the laundry before I clean the bathroom, my clothes will be ready to dry when I finish. The last time that I did the laundry was about 2 weeks ago, so it might be a couple of loads. The laundry basket is full of smelly, dirty clothes. Oh, the bathroom. It really needs a serious cleaning. First, I need to fix the bathroom sink. The pipe has been leaking recently, and there's water all over the floor. When I finish fixing the sink, I'm going to scrub it and clean the toilet. After that, I'm going to scrub the floor. The weather is going to be great this weekend, and I have a lot of things to take care of outside around the house. But before I head outside to do some outdoor work, I'm going to take the clothes out of the washer. I'm going to hang the laundry out to dry. I usually use the dryer, but I prefer to let them dry naturally when the weather is nice. I have to change the oil in my car. That won't take long. Then I'm going to wash and wax the car. It's been a couple of months since I washed it last, so that might take a little while. Then I'm going to plant some flowers in the garden. I'm also going to try to plant some vegetables this year. Last year, I planted some tomatoes and hot peppers. The tomatoes were delicious, but the hot peppers, well, they didn't turn out so well. Next, I'm going to water the plants, and then I'm going to water the lawn. I'm so happy it's not fall. I really hate raking the leaves. It takes me several hours, and then the next day, the grass is full of them again. It's so much work. Once I'm done watering the lawn, I'm going to do my least favorite thing of all. I'm going to iron my clothes. Oh, it's going to be a long weekend, but I'm looking forward to having a clean house once again. And when I am all done, I'm going to relax on the sofa. Maybe I'll have a beer. I'm really not looking forward to this weekend.